Hey guys, what you're seeing right now on the screen, let me go ahead and enlarge it here, is screenshots from one of our members in the members area who made a sale on Redbubble within 3 days of using the Design Sensei tool. So I wanted to kind of shout this out and show this to the world because, first off, this is, I believe, the third or the fourth person who reached out to me who used this tool, but it was oddly enough that he kind of, shout out to Caleb, by the way, that's his name. This is the screenshot, the texting between me and him, where he said to me it took him 3 or 4 days to get a sale. Now, if you guys remember, the first person for this to reach out to me was, I don't know if I could say her name. I don't know if we agreed to that, but it was a video that I already made. And it took her 3 days to get her first sale. Caleb took him 3 or 4 days, so about the same amount of time. And I find that pretty interesting because there might be something to this. Now, for those who have no idea what I'm talking about, Design Sensei is a tool, I'll put it up on the screen right now, that I have created and I will keep continuing to build on it and improve on it. It's an AI tool that creates t-shirt designs for you. Very, very soon, within the next few days, it's going to be utilizing AI to create AI-generated images within text. It's just going to be mind-blowingly good, and we are moving at rocket speed to improve this thing. But anyways, you can create like up to 50 designs at a time. And I find that pretty cool because a lot of the different tools out there don't really prioritize automation, okay? Now, I wanted to create a tool that works with my personal system of creation. And what's my personal system? My personal system now, or my focus, is automation of the, I don't want to say menial tasks, but the tasks that are monotonous, the things that I don't feel like doing each and every day, that are kind of requirements, going out there and adding 30 designs a day to your Redbubble store. In my mind, for a studious individual who wants to make passive income over time, should be doing that. But we live in a world now of instant gratification, and truthfully, we live in a world of possibility. AI is just, it can either be your enemy or it can be your soldier, if that makes sense. And in my case, I'm utilizing it to work for me. So I'm employing it to create designs for me and automate the uploading of those designs as well. But regardless, let's go ahead and jump into these texts that me and Caleb shared together. So at first, we were talking here about a little error within Design Sensei. For those who don't know, once again, my members on there, they tell me about the different bugs on there, which is great. They get to use the software for free. They tell me what's going on, and I fix it. I make it good, and we talk back and forth all the time. So he messaged me about some little issue. I said, I'll look into it. Thank you. And then you could see here, last time we talked was Friday. And then when it says today, this was just a couple days later. It wasn't actually today. I could actually check the exact date on my phone right now as we speak. I don't think it matters, but let me check the exact date here. I believe it was either yesterday or the day before, or something like that. Let's see when he messaged me here. Let's go to my chat, and it was Sunday, I believe. Yeah, it was Sunday. Okay, so we first talked on a Friday and then a Sunday, so day after. He says, hey, I got my first sale on Redbubble, and I just started this week. So he had a brand new account for anybody who's curious. And I said, let's go. Obviously, I butchered that because, my big hands are not really formidable to type on a cell phone. And I said, I'm so happy for you. How many designs have you uploaded before getting your first sale? He said, I got my first sale on Redbubble, and I just started this week. I copied it twice. And I said, I'm so happy for you. How many have done? He said, thank you. I appreciate it. I uploaded around 115 designs in 3 or 4 days and got a sale. I said, I love to see this. Thank you for letting me know. Very, very happy to see this. Of course, I'm going to celebrate whenever my students do well. When I know that my stuff is working for them, my tools are working for them, my courses are working for them, to me, that's like not only as an accomplishment for me, but it's a psychology boost for me. Like, I feel good when other people are winning. But more importantly, and more effectively, I want the products that I create to help people in their lives. That's kind of like my goal. And, at the end of the day, my members area is a product. People can ask questions, people can watch some of the content that I have on there, and they can access free software, so it's pretty awesome. So I say I love to see this. Thank you for letting me know. I'm very happy. My goal was to create a tool that works as a money printer. The more we work on this, the closer we'll get to that. And this is basically me telling him, I know the tool is not perfect now. I know you got a sale already, but I'm going to keep improving it. And if you have any suggestions, let me know. And I think his only suggestion was, I think he had two suggestions. One suggestion was he wanted the tool to create more tags. Okay, and for those who don't know, like if I scroll down here, the number of tags, I think it goes up to like 14 or 15, but for some reason, I think he wants more. I could be wrong, and I'll look into that. Maybe it doesn't generate 15. I personally haven't tested that far up. I just tested like around, the 3, 4, or 5, just because I want faster creations. But the second thing he asked for was images to be larger, which I did fix that. So the image sizes, if you could see here, we can make them real tiny, and we can make them real big to the point where they disappear off the canvas entirely. So, that's what he was asking for, so I did improve that. But there's a lot of improvements coming soon. We're tying this into an AI uploader tool for Redbubble, TeePublic, Merch by Amazon, all that kind of cool stuff. That's one. The second thing is we're going to be tying this into a e-commerce store builder. So that's why we have Printify here. So you can, take your designs, slap it on a product that Printify prints, and push that to Etsy, push that to Amazon, push that to eBay with just one click of a button. Which would be really cool as well. And also push it to your own e-commerce website. So imagine having like a website with like 5,000 different print-on-demand designs, separate from Etsy, separate from, Amazon, separate from all that kind of stuff that generates you sales on autopilot. But more importantly, it's not something you're working for every day. Does that make sense? And that's the whole point of this automation, is that I don't need to sit there and quote-unquote create a print-on-demand store. I can use AI to create it for me. That's exactly what this machine does. And that's, I set up this little feature, I think yesterday night, called the Global Stats tool. And this just shows how many designs were created since that point. So there's probably, if I had to guess, I like I said, I implemented this feature last night or either the night before. I can't remember because it's 2 a.m. right now. If it's only been like a day or two and it's this many designs created, we're probably like in the 20,000 total, but I'm not counting those. So basically since last night, 2,025 designs total have been created on this tool. So it's very effective. People are making money off of it. You just saw Caleb, like I said, make money off this. I think this is epic. I'm very, very proud of my students who succeed, who work hard, and even the ones who are struggling to get success. I can understand how difficult it can be in the beginning because you don't know who to listen to. You don't know who to find as a guide. You don't know who's going to give you the right information. You're low on money. You're really just trying to piece everything together to try to make things happen. So I wanted to share the success of my student here. I want to put it out there, and I want to encourage anyone else out there that success is there. It's just, I'm going to talk about this multiple times, but you have to look at success as you're building some sort of structure, a building. And each block or each brick or block is one step closer to where you need to be. And all you have to do is don't judge yourself. Take time to learn everything. And when I say don't judge yourself, don't compare yourself to other people. Don't get mad at yourself for not being where you want to be immediately. Things take time. As long as you're working as hard as you can and you're being diligent and you're taking it seriously, then it's just a matter of time until you succeed. Some people succeed quicker than others. Some people are slower than others, but that's okay. It's just growth over time. That's what you need. That's all you need is growth and consistency over time. The best way that I can kind of explain it is children from the moment they're born to, the time that they're 18, 19, 25 years old, they're growing each and every day. Each and every day they're growing. It's not like they become 6 foot overnight. It's not like they become fully grown adults overnight. They grow each and every day. So if you're listening to this, that's what you should be, that's what you should set your goal to. Growth every single day. I can totally understand how you can look to somebody who might be making a lot of money and wish you were in their position, and you kind of can't hold your horses, right? You just want to go fast, but you got to understand that person started off slowly. And I'm not talking about myself here. I'm just saying in general, anybody who you're looking up to, everybody takes time to grow. So thank you guys for watching. I'll talk to you guys later. It's definitely late here. It's 2:30 in the morning almost. So I'm going to go to sleep here. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out. Bye.